Paytm soars 122 in a year, still lags IPO price by 53. Will Q1 results push Paytm higher? Paytm Q1 results today. Shares of ONE97 Communications, which operates digital payments platform Paytm, have surged over 122 in the past year. Despite the sharp recovery, the stock remains 53 below its IPO issue price of Rs 2,150. All eyes are now on the company's June quarter Q1 FY26 results, due on July 22, which analysts say could determine the stock's next big move. Paytm made its market debut in November 2021 with much anticipation but witnessed a steep fall of 27 on the listing day. After hitting a record low of Rs 438.35 in November 2022, the stock has staged a steady comeback and now trades around Rs 1,016. While the rally has lifted investor sentiment, analysts believe that for the stock to return to its IPO levels, Paytm must demonstrate consistent earnings growth and improved operational performance. Currently hovering around Rs 1,018, the stock has shown signs of a technical breakout, supported by a consistent pattern of higher highs and higher lows HHHL on the charts. Technical analysts believe the upcoming June quarter results, due today, July 22, could be a key trigger for further upside. The stock has shown significant recovery and is forming a higher high, higher low structure on the weekly charts, which is a bullish signal, said Rajesh Bhosale, technical analyst at Angel One. He noted that a decisive close above Rs 1,100 could open the path towards Rs 1,250 and potentially Rs 1,400. The company has been focusing on profitability, reporting an EBITDA before ESOP cost of Rs 153 crore in Q4 FY24, a notable turnaround from a Rs 234 crore loss in the same period the previous year. Management has also pointed to improved contribution margins across business segments. In a recent investor update, Paytm highlighted robust growth in merchant payments, lending, advertising, and financial services. Its lending arm, in particular, showed strong traction. With Q1 earnings just around the corner, analysts say that continued profitability and margin improvement will be critical to sustain investor interest and determine the stock's future trajectory. Nanan Paytm is expected to post a net profit of Rs 18.9 crore for the quarter ended June 2025 Q1 FY26, a sharp turnaround from a net loss of Rs 839.6 crore in the year-ago period, according to estimates by JM Financial. In the previous quarter Q4 FY25, the company had reported a net loss of Rs 544.6 crore. Motilal Oswal Financial Services Mofslo also projects a net profit for the quarter, albeit at a more modest Rs 2 crore. On a consolidated basis, Paytm's revenue in Q1 FY26 is projected to rise 27 year-on-year to Rs 1,910.9 crore, from Rs 1,501 crore in Q1 FY25. Primarily supported by strong traction in its payments and financial services verticals, JM Financial noted. However, sequential revenue growth is likely to remain flat. The contribution margin is estimated to decline by 67 basis points quarter-on-quarter due to a growing share of financial services, particularly from merchant loans via the default loss guarantee DLG model, which carries higher take rates. Still, better operating leverage, especially lower employee costs, is expected to keep the company adjusted EBITDA positive, with an estimated margin of 1.1, according to JM Financial. Analysts at Yes Securities anticipate Paytm's revenue from payment services excluding UPI incentives to grow 6 quarter-on-quarter and 21 year-on-year. The financial services and others segment is expected to see a 10 QoQ revenue increase. Loan dispersals during the quarter are likely to grow 8 sequentially and 23 annually, led primarily by merchant loans, with a notably reduced share of DL-backed loans. Meanwhile, personal loan disbursements are expected to remain tepid due to tightened norms around unsecured lending. Nanan looking ahead, analysts will be closely tracking management commentary on UPI incentives, EBITDA guidance, and updates related to 3 key regulatory developments. Trends in customer acquisition will also be an important monitorable. Nanan swipe left for next video. Paytm shares have seen strong gains recently. The stock has rallied 19 in the past month, 17 in 3 months, and 23 over 6 months. On a year-to-date basis, it is up 5, and over the past year, it has delivered multi-bagger returns of 122. At 11:40 am on Monday, Paytm shares were trading 2.92 higher at Rs 1048 on the BSE. Latest blogs.